Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $30 by signing up for free. And this is worldwide. Now, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up. And once you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this first site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first website. Name of this website is MyPoints. Now, I have talked about this site before, but I want to bring it up again because it's a good site that you can sign up and get paid. So right here it says join now for free and get a $10 welcome bonus. And you're not going to get it in PayPal. You're going to get it in Amazon gift card. So once you get that Amazon gift card, you can also trade that Amazon gift card in for PayPal money. And that's how you'll be able to get to $10. But after that, you really don't have to do anything else. Now, if you want to make some money off this site, what you're going to do is you're going to shop at your favorite stores. You're going to earn points on purchases. And you can also get paid to answer surveys if you like. Here are some of the stores right here that you'll be able to use to get cash back. And then once you accumulate enough points, you can redeem those points in and get these gift cards, or you can just go ahead and get PayPal money. So go ahead and go to MyPoints, sign up, get that $10 bonus, and get this money. Now let me go to the second site. I'm going to go pretty fast now on these next sites. Okay guys, I'm at the second site. Name of this site is Inbox Dollars. And on this site, you get rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping in cash offers. Now, on this one, as soon as you sign up, you get a $5 bonus. So on here, you don't have to do any cash back to get the money. As soon as you sign up, you get the $5 right off the bat. Now, if you want to go ahead and make more money from this site, you can just go ahead and watch these videos, take these surveys, or shop. So I'm not going to say anything else about this site. I have talked about it in the past several times. But if you just want to go ahead and get this $5 real quick, go to inboxdollars.com, sign up, and get that money. Now let me go to the next site. Okay, family, I'm at the next site. Name of this site is Honeygain. So on this site right here, you're going to get $5 as soon as you sign up, as you can see right here. So on this site, if you want to make some more money, let's go ahead and read about it right quick. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content, free to play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. So guys, I'm not going to read anything else about this site. If you want to go ahead and sign up and get that $5 gift and then go ahead and use this website to make more money, you can. Just go ahead and go to honeygain.com. Now let me go to the last website. Okay, I'm at the last website. The name of this website is Tradestation. So on this website you earn money to grow yours. And as you can see here, you get $10 in crypto and take control of your financial destiny. So on here, once you sign up and once they approve your account, you get $10 crypto, which of course you can trade that in and get money at your cryptocurrency account. Now personally, I use Coinbase. Once you get your crypto money from here, you can just sign up with Coinbase and you'll be able to trade that crypto in for cash. So these are the sites, guys, that you can get free money just for signing up. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get there by the end of this month of April. Let's go, guys. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.